Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Journey to Happy Life. Today we're going to have an update of my raised bed garden. So we have this zucchini guys. This one guys, actually this is not a mildew, okay? It's like that. And look at this, how beautiful. This one right here. And I have this called parsley. This one actually has some bugs in here, so I spray it with neem oil. I have some, this one, this is actually pichay, but it started flowering. And then this one right here, those are beads. And look at my snap peas. I have some bugs in here, and I tried to use organic pesticide ba yung tawag nun, at saka yung neem oil. Hindi siya namamatay right away, most of it, pero if you spray it like every so often, namamatay siya. And then these are the radish, these are my garlic, and this one ay laki. This is really big. This is squash, and I'm hoping na magkatay bitaw siya diha. Wala pa siya buwag. And these are all the carrots. And I have this one, this other raised bed. This one guys, this is the sweet potato. My dog Casey, she pulled it, so I tried to plant it, and it seems like I think it's growing back. I have that one. This is the Chinese, I cannot remember I forgot now what's this one, but tingnan nyo guys how big are the leaves. You can put it in soup, or you can saute this one. I tried to put it in soup, and one time I saute it. For some reason it's a little bit better. And this one is spinach. I think this is the mustard spinach. And this one is the green beans, and my green beans na siya guys. Doon my green beans na siya, but the thing is that I have to really watch it because may mga bugs here. And this one, I think this is the Chinese kale. So okay guys, yan lang muna. I will show you maybe in few days, kasi we're still working on this backyard. We haven't even finished it, as you can see, because we went on a trip and we've been very busy, and I'm going to school as well. So okay guys, that's for now. I hope you like this video. Okay, take care and see you next time. Okay, bye.